I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by putting the screen at its maximum visible level. Open Settings, then Display and Brightness, and push the brightness slider to the top. Once done, make sure Low Power Mode is off in Settings Battery, because it forces a dimmer screen. Also disable Night Shift and Dark Mode so the display isn't intentionally warmer or darker. These first actions set the baseline hardware output. Do them now so the phone can actually sustain the brightest possible screen. Next, stop adaptive features that secretly lower brightness. Go to Settings, Accessibility Display and Text Size and switch Auto Brightness off. This prevents the ambient light sensor from ducking brightness. Then, if your model has Face ID, open Settings, Face ID and Passcode and disable Attention-Aware features, because the phone can dim when you're not looking. Finally, turn off True Tone if you want consistent output rather than automatic color and perceived brightness shifts. This keeps the screen visually stable. To finish, use the Control Center to confirm brightness stays at max and lengthen Auto Lock in Settings, Display and Brightness so the screen stays active longer. If the phone still dims, restart it and check that a case or screen protector is not covering the ambient light sensor. Also update iOS in Settings General Software Update. If none of those fix it, the ambient sensor or display hardware may be failing. Contact Apple support for diagnostics and repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.